Tummyrub. Albums Motion. Xmas Lights. The Cooters. Albums Chaos or Bust. The Moon Will Rise Again. Youthmovies. Albums Good Nature, Homeless Music's Hurrah Another Year. Surely this one will be better than the last. The inexorable march of progress will lead us all to happiness. Oars. #Alice. Albums It Is What It Is evolved. Welcome to our tea party. The Lemon Pipers. Albums Best of the Lemon Pipers, Green Tambourine, Golden Classics, Jungle Marmalade, More. The Lemon Pipers 1211 of 1728, the best rock bands of all time, 120 of 221 bands/artists with only one great album, 112 of 179, the best bands that are named after foods. The Jennifers. Albums Just Got Back Today. The Candyskins. Albums Sunday Morning Fever, Fun, Space I'm In, Death of a Minor TV Celebrity, Live at the Zodiac. Talulah Gosh. Albums Backwash, Was It Just a Dream? They've Scoffed the Lot, Rock Legends, Volume 69, Where's the Cougar? Piper. Albums We Control, The Panic, Rewired, Wired, Bedrock Breaks, DJ Hyper. Goldrush. Albums The Heart Is the Place, Don't Bring Me Down, Ozona EP, Extended Play, Same Picture. Nik Turner. Albums Past or Future, Prophets of Time, Zitintade, Sphinx, Future Cities of the Past. Colin Greenwood. Dee D. Jackson. Dee D. Jackson. Mark Gardner. Albums Live at the Knitting Factory, New York City, These Beautiful Ghosts, Magdalen Sky, The Story of the Eye. Color Revolt. Color Revolt. 12 Rods. Ride. Ride. Swervedriver. Albums Ejector Seat Reservation, Ray's 99th Dream, Turn On Rides 8998, Mescal Head. Supergrass. Ed O'Brien. Burnside. Burnside. Foals. Foals.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.